Hello and welcome to my channel. As you can see, I have installed Claude AI as well as I have opened SketchUp. Before starting into Claude, I have to first check that I should have the connectors or connections which connect SketchUp and Claude. For that, I will click on this plus sign and then go down and see I have the Trimble SketchUp Connect. And let's say if you don't have this connector, then you can just go to customize and then you can just click on if I make it full screen, then I can just click on these connectors or plugins and say if I click here browse connectors, and then in the directory I will type Trimble. So here since I have already connected it, so here you will see the connect button and you just have to click on connect. Now coming back to Claude, and since I'm using it for the first time, let's see what it does to my prompts. I will just create a room in SketchUp. Room size is 10 feet cross 20 feet. Room clear height is 12 feet. One door in one of the long walls. In one of long walls is 3 feet x 7 feet. One window in other long wall is 5 feet cross 6 feet. So it will take some time because it is working. Now it has found the tools, which is Trimble SketchUp in this case, and now it is integrating. You can see that it will take some time to analyze the prompts that I have provided. It just rephrased my data and now it is building the model. So always allow. If you have this issue, then just click on always allow. And by the way, I am using a free version of Claude AI. I am not using any paid versions. For the time being, you can see that there currently in today's section there is no SketchUp model. In the build model section, it says that geometry looks great, all 13 groups are in place. Now let me apply the interior room style and set the camera. Okay, but let's download the room. So this is how the room will look. Again, it is providing me the summary and the camera angle. So let's download it and save it. Okay, so room 10 feet by 20 feet 1. Okay, I have opened SketchUp here I will click on file and then open, and then go to download, and here is my room. And now you can see that it has created a room. And if I check the dimensions are not corrected, and I guess these dimensions are interior dimensions, which it took it as clear dimensions. Nope. So only height is fine, window size is fine, and door size is also fine. Now if I move these groups, you can see that these are just plain surfaces, not 3D walls, by the way. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13 geometries or groups, which Claude AI mentioned here. 13 groups in place. So that's how it is working. It is not fine, it needs more refinement, but maybe next time I should be more precise about my prompts, that I should mention the wall thicknesses, the exact location of door, and the exact location of the window sill, so that it applies all that information within SketchUp model.